How to use Brevo for email marketing step by step 2024. In this video, we're going to be talking about Brevo and how you're going to be using this incredible platform for yourself and for your email marketing. Now, if you want to use this incredible platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get a free sign up and much more. So, to carry on with this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come straight over to the campaigns section. Now in campaigns, you're going to click on email. Once you do that, you're going to choose which kind of email campaign do you require. Is it a regular email campaign or an A/B test? Now, an A/B test is where they give you two tests of the same email campaign, but I'm going to go with a regular and give it a campaign name called test. Once we've done that, we're going to click on create campaign. And over here, you're going to go ahead and manage your sender, first of all. So whoever your sender is, you're going to save that. Then we're going to go ahead and add the recipients that we have. Once you do that, click on save. Add your very own subject line. So whatever you want to add. So I'm going to go ahead with welcome. Okay, we're going to write that in. Once we do that, we're going to save that in. Then we have the design section where the main fun starts. So you can go ahead and choose any template from their template galleries, or you could choose their templates from the extensive templates that they provide you. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and use this template real quick for myself. So once you've done this, you can go ahead and edit it according to yourself, add in your own logos, add in your own imagery, add in your own text. So go ahead and edit it for yourself. Once you've done that, go ahead, click on save and quit. So once you click on save and quit, from here, simply just go ahead, choose your sender settings, schedule it for sending, and that is how you're going to be using Brevo for email marketing in the easiest way. And again, if you want to use this platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below right now. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.